Hello, in this video we're gonna check if iPhone 14 Pro Max has the stereo speaker. And to do this we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. So there's one right here, second right here, on top there's nothing, on the sides there's also nothing, and on the back there's no speaker as well. Another speaker is located on top of the screen right here, and that's a phone call speaker. Now we need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from two sources, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So the sound was coming from all of the sources, and that would mean this device has these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.